The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central mainland Monroe County in southwestern Florida, central Miami-Dade County in southeastern Florida, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Everglades National Park, or 20 miles west of Homestead General Airport, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Shark Valley Obbs Tower, Everglades National Park, and Paheaki Overlook. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.